Greetings, class. The purpose of this video is to talk to you a little bit about the test construction assignments. So if you have had an opportunity to review the guidelines, you will see that I want you to write 5 original test questions at the higher cognitive level. And now, 2 of those questions should be an alternate format type. Once you have your questions developed, I would like you to provide those questions to a colleague. Ideally, your colleague would provide a critique of those questions. Once you have looked at the comments, then it is completely acceptable for you to revise your questions and rework your questions based on the feedback prior to submission. When you submit your assignment, you will want to submit the questions along with the rationale for the correct answer. You will also want to provide a brief summary of the critique that was shared by your colleague. I do not need to see the critique itself, rather a summary of the critique would be fine. I will be looking to see that you introduced within that summary the topic that was relevant to the questions, as well as you identify the level of the learner. I will be looking at the NCLEX items to see that response choices are parallel in length and complexity. I will also be looking to see that there are no double negatives, that present tense is used, etc. All those items that we have discussed across the course thus far. Please be certain that you are using the term client instead of patient, that the question stems are concise, they are succinct, and clearly written. Other than that, again, just please take a look at all of the resources available to you in Module 2 with regards to writing test items for Next Gen. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. The rubric follows the guidelines for the assignments, and please do take some time to review the guidelines and the rubric carefully prior to submission. But as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.